he comes to us with a perfect, undefeated record. And he fights out of Darlaston, West Midlands, England, introducing the 2020 Olympic silver medalist. Here's the Sergeant, Ben Whittaker!
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome his opponent to the red corner. Fighting out of Hartford, Connecticut, he is the UBF light heavyweight champion, presenting Richie Popeye the Sailor Man Rivera! And when the bell rings, the man in charge is championship veteran Ron Lipton.
One of boxing's most talked about undefeated prospects, United Kingdom's own, Olympic silver medalist in the light heavyweight division, Ben Whittaker. And tomorrow, Ben faces another massive test. Because standing across the ring is a fighter who has never hit the canvas. From Connecticut, USA, the rock-solid Richard Rivera. It's 10 rounds for the WBC silver light heavyweight title. Yes, Rivera's been out of action for over a year, but don't let that fool you. This guy is granite-chinned. He's gone toe-to-toe with big punchers before and came this close to beating them. So the question is, will we see a shocking upset tomorrow? Or will Rivera just become another name on Ben Whittaker's perfect record? Before they collide, let's run through some of the best moments from both their careers.
Ref.
Drop your left shoulder.
waving that lead hand.
Oh, he's just taking his time, he's just tapping away, and he's one big shot. We're waiting for great ball.
Right hand cocked to ready to go. Huge right hand from Whittaker. He's got to try and keep things tight here, Jordan Grant. Get that guard up, which is exactly.
Backhand that came through it wasn't even.
Oh, and he's staggered again here and down right to the very start of the round here, Jordan Grant. And here comes the towel from the corner.
Make it Paley. Good lad. Good lad. Lovely man, Leon. Side to side. Off the ropes. Off the rope, Leon. Move. Leave. Don't stay on there. Move. Move, Leon. He's pissed off. He's getting pissed off. You shut up, you little rat. That's it. Rat. Yes. Good Leon. Yes. Yes.
Damage being done. Ooh, Jim. Ooh, that's a right hand, and he hurt Rivera. Can he finish? Ready? Hits him with another one. Rivera better get out of there or hold on, or he's going to be in trouble. Howard's got some big, big hands. Oh, nice right hand by Rivera. Wide, he's got some wide shots. And nice body shot. Nice return right by Howard. Good action in that corner. Oh, nice shot. Oh, nice shot by Howard. Oh, overhand right by Rivera. Body comes back to the body. Another big shot that misses on Howard. Oh, nice left hand by Rivera. Oh, walks him backwards and then catches him with a good left hook, Rivera. Howard needs to get a little more busy. Another body shot and two more shots by Rivera. Oh, nice body shot. First round where Rivera got tagged with a great shot by Howard. Rivera has been the busier fighter. He has scored more points, and I think Rivera ducks under it. Oh, and Rivera hits a little short little uppercut. A couple of those. After that first round. Oh, nice. Nice slips by Howard. Big punches by Rivera, but slipped by Howard. Strong jab, strong right hands, hurt Rivera. Oh, nice. And Rivera seems to have caught Howard. But
Howard isn't answering back. He's allowing Rivera to score punches, and that's how you win decision. Howard's fighting at a weight lower than his. Oh, now he finally let his hands.
With a couple of good shots, and Sen Rivera hit him with a good left hook.
Oh, good uppercut, and a good exchange there. And now Howard is finally showing a little life.
Nice shot.
Good right hand by Rivera.
What an entertaining evening it's been here at Resorts World Catskill.
Cruiserweight champion, Richie, Popeye the Sailor